All right, it's Ryan here. Silly Review's got some bad news. Bad news about Vanna White. But before we get to that, let's have some good news. Let's roll the clock back, I don't know, 40 years, 50 years? Look at the smoke show that Vanna White was when she was just a young thing on Wheel of Fortune. Oh, not Wheel of Fortune. On The Price is Right. Here is a young Vanna White coming on down.
You are the first four contestants on The Price is Right. And now, here's the star of The Price is Right.
Sweet Jesus. Let's get another look at that. Here we go.
To come on down, one of them read her t-shirt where it says, "Get serious." And he said, I am. I thought you'd like to know that. Now, I thought you...
Wow. So, fast forward 100 years, here we are. Vanna White, she's going to be replaced on Wheel of Fortune. That's right, Vanna White being replaced. Why? Well, she's got the COVID. Are you kidding me? Is COVID trying to make a comeback? Is that the new plan? Is that the game plan? The government's gonna finish out the end of the year with some celebrities getting it to remind you, hey, get ready for the lockdown. Is that what's going on? Goodness gracious. Here's the headline. Wheel of Fortune's Vanna White replaced on upcoming episodes after contracting COVID. As producers move forward as contract negotiations drag on. So I guess she's in some contract negotiations. To say she's in the twilight of her career would be an understatement. She's 66 years old. So who's going to fill in for her? Well, she's being replaced. Now, this kind of seems like a dirty backhanded move, if you ask me. Let me let you take a look. Pat Sajak's daughter is going to be replacing her. I don't know how old her daughter is. Let's see. She was a baby in 96. So she's probably somewhere around 27 years old. That's it's a little on the young side to be as old as Pat Sajak. Anyway, she doesn't have anything on young Vanna, even old Vanna. She's got just not doing it for me. She's got to see if we can pull this back up. Got a beak, kind of a beak going on, kind of a weird front face. Looks a little bit washboardish. Itty bitty titty committee. Nah, give me Vanna. Give me whatever. 1980 Vanna. That's the year I was born. Oh my gosh, I wish she would have been the one birthing me. But Vanna's sick. She's got the big C. I guess that'll be making its rounds again. They're going to start with celebrities. And she's going through contract negotiations. Leave a comment if you made it this far. How many more years do you think Vanna White will be turning tiles? Well, she doesn't even turn the tiles. She taps the screen. How many more years do you think Vanna White will be the tile host of Wheel of Fortune? Leave your guess in the comments. I'm Ryan, Silly Reviews. We'll leave with a nice view. And I appreciate you watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.